I swear I love to wear shirts that aren't actually shirts. A lot of you guys have asked me, DM me on Instagram, Twitter, how do you make your videos? How do you make these videos? So I've been meaning to make this video for a while now. I just haven't gotten around to it, but we're gonna do it today. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you the gear I use, the programs that I use, how I edit, music, audio, and footage, and my creative process as well. Yeah, if you want to figure out how you can make your own video, then just keep on watching. So to start off, camera and programs. I currently use the camera that I'm filming with right now, which is the Lumix G7. It's a mirrorless camera and it shoots in 4K. And I really just wanted to get this to like upgrade the quality of my videos. I also shoot footage on my Canon T6. Yeah, Canon T6, not the eye, so no flip out screen, no mic jack, none of that. It gets the job done for sure. If you don't have access to a DSLR, if you just have a regular iPhone or something, a phone that has good camera quality, you can just use that. As for programs, I currently use Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a lot of money, but hear me out. So I'm currently a student, so I use the student discount. If you can find something that's like free, iMovie for your phone, anything like that will definitely just get the job done. If you even want to use, what is it? Final Cut Pro, I know that costs money, but if you want to use that instead of Adobe Premiere Pro, then anything that's gonna be able to let you cut your video, add text, music, and audio, it's fine. So currently I edit on my MacBook Pro, but listen, like that is something I had to work up to. I know a lot of you are gonna watch this video and be like, I don't have this, I don't have that. Like I remember making my first YouTube video balancing my phone on my teddy bear in front of like my window back at home. Like that was the start of something new. So you don't have to have like just amazing camera gear and editing stuff to make a good video. Like the quality, the content is more important. Okay, so for my footage, if I don't film the video myself, then I will go on the internet and find videos that I can repurpose. If you're going to repurpose someone else's like music video, short film, or anything like that, then credit the person who created that, as well as any directors or anyone who was a part of that. You just don't want to make it seem like it's your product when it's not. What is yours is how you choose to put it together, as well as like your poem, your song, or whatever. When I go out to film, then I'm always thinking about what I want to say in this video, and I make sure that I get clips that represent the storyline, represent what I'm trying to say in my poem, and create like a certain ambiance around whatever's going on. So you don't want to have like a low light video and really up-tempo music or anything like that, or like a really happy piece, because it's not gonna go together. So camera, footage, music. For my music, I usually go on YouTube or SoundCloud. For YouTube, I always look up, well, I really try to look up no copyright music, or like free for profit, things like that. I'm really trying to make my own so I can like put it out on Spotify, because a lot of you have asked me to put my stuff on Spotify, but I can't do it because there's like a copyright or something like that, so it really just takes away. For the last video that I put out, it was a cover by Audrey Mika. Yikes. I used that cover and I kind of like messed around with the vocals, so it was more like in the back and muted out kind of. And I did the same thing with Frank Ocean's song. So with Godspeed, I just kind of slowed it down and made it like this darker, more ambient type of sound. But yeah, you can really do whatever. I suggest definitely making your own. Boom. Audio. I really just record on my phone. I use my headphones with the built-in mic, and I just record straight through on the voice recording app. That's really it. It's very simple. The audio quality isn't the best. So if you want to get like an actual professional mic, I think that would be a lot better. But if you don't have like the money for that, then just use your headphones. I also go back and edit my voice, not my voice, but I edit the audio in GarageBand and then layer that on top of the music that I use. So it's like, so it goes together. Honestly, the first video that I did to my next boyfriend, the audio was really, really good to me, and I have not been able to mimic that since. I don't know what I did, but moving on to my creative process. A lot of times when people remake the videos, I've seen your videos. If you don't think that I've seen your videos, I've seen them. But there are some people who think that you can just throw your clips together and put some cool music and say something in a really soft voice and it's gonna work. Like, it's more than that. It's really about your intention and purposefully placing things. Whenever I decide to make a video, I will first think about what I'm trying to say. My writing style is more like just whatever I'm feeling at the moment, and then I'll go back and edit, but it's usually just like a stream of thoughts that are coming out. So yeah, everyone's writing process is gonna be different, but once you have the poem or song or whatever written down, moving forward, you want to be able to place clips in places that will complement the words or the music. Also, placing clips that kind of reflect what the words are saying. So if it says like, I'm standing on top of a building looking out over you, like if you have a clip of a building or something, like you put it right there and it's like boom, like I see it. So you want to help the audience see where you're going. If you're using like a lot of metaphors and figurative language in your poem, then you want that imagery to really come through. So those visuals are where you like, where everything just comes together. It's like a mesh and they're there with you, and it's good. And that's really it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, comment down below. Also, let me know like which video of mine you really liked, and let me know if you created your own video so I can check it out. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.